alive! I had to move my coil head in the bracket and reroute my fuel line. I'll shut the motor off and talk to you. We'll go back and listen to the exhaust pipe. Okay, we eliminated the kickdown lever for the automatic because on a Ford there's a spring in the lever in the transmission. So it's always pushing up whether this is hooked up with a spring or not on this lever. So we just deleted it because we never kick it in passenger. We got to find them little balls. Or we're going to maybe make one on the lathe or something because the hole is right about here. 7 enough foot-feet travel for me. I don't normally floor it. This carburetor never did go all the way to the floor anyway on this truck, believe it or not. You could never floor this carburetor all the way. Probably good. Had to barely made this fit. Had to move the coil head. Good thing there was a bend in this pipe. So I routed over this way. So I had to slide my coil head in the bracket. So I had to take the bracket off. There's a screw in there that holds it, you know, a band around there. No biggie. We got a nice choke cable. We'll show you that before we leave today. So there you go. It's running. I said there was so much gas in the motor that it kept trying to start. Well, I never even pumped it because I don't have no foot feet. After I'd prime it, I had a little bit of drip up here. Had to tighten the screw up. I think the gaskets had to get a little bit of gas in them to soak them out. So I had to crank down with the screwdriver. Took my sight plug out, and I know that I could splash it with it shut off and a little bit of gas comes out. Because I did set it low on purpose. So, we'll pause. Somebody's yelling in the neighborhood. Okay, we do have a nice Edelbrock air cleaner, open air cleaner to put on. We have to make a bolt. It looks like a 1/4 because the factory one is a smaller bolt. So, we're going to have to make a bolt or get some all thread. And that's about it. So, I'm about done for today. I've been out here for about a few hours working on this thing, but no drips, no leaks I could see, except there was a float bolt thing right here, and I tightened the screw down real tight. There's a gasket underneath the nut, and if you watch my Sunday in the Shop video, this is what I rebuilt. So, if you're interested in watching that, of how I rebuilt this, it's a two-part, too long of a video of me rambling on doing it. So, I'm happy so far. Cross our fingers. We're not going to leave town with this thing for a few days to make sure it's okay, so. You gotta do a few things. I said, we're gonna go and sit at the table and show you the choke cable I bought. Don't worry, we'll get there. This is the old Motorcraft carburetor. Electric choke, all that other crap, garbage. I was talking about that power valve the other day. See how deep this is with a special 2-stage. So this is gonna go on the shelf. And here's my open air cleaner. It used to be chrome. I painted it black. It's all scummy. It's a truck. At least it's got a new filter. See? At least I serviced the old thing. Let's go to the shop. I gotta sit down. Oh, before I go in, I bought me a fire steering, some marine type. Good for gas and electrical. We're gonna try to mount it on the kick panel on the passenger side of the truck. So, yeah, we're gonna carry fire steers from now on the old thing after that flooding incident. So, let's go inside. Okay, here's the bracket for the fire extinguisher. I'm gonna try to bolt it down on the kick panel on the passenger side. It's got a little strap. You know me, a panic, I'm gonna rip. I don't care what. I don't care if they think that plastic's strong. I'll probably just be yanking on the thing. But here's my nice cable. See if we can get up here. This is probably $15 to $17, but it's 5 foot long. Nice choke cable, huh? Because my Ford's got chrome knobs for the radio and stuff, so. Now it's a manual choke like in the old days. So, there we go. We are what they say pooped. I don't say that. Be able to monetize the video. Anyway, we're tired. We're taking a break. Today is a Sunday, believe it or not. I'm working on this. So Saturday, yesterday is when I built the carb. So Thanks for watching. Hope you're all happy as I am that the old Ford's still alive. Or it's alive again after it died on me. A little add-on to the video. I found these at O'Reilly part stores. I'll leave you plenty of pictures of the package. One of these will fit. That's what the cable snaps on. And I'll take a picture of the cable end so you can see how it snaps on these. In case you're working on one of these old Fords.